In this video, you will see how to convert hours to minutes in Excel using the formula. Before you start the conversion of hours to minutes, you need to know this basic knowledge. The basic is that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So if you want to convert hour to minutes, you need to multiply the hours by minutes in 1 hour. So for example, in this column we have hours, and to convert these hours to minutes, you just need to type equal to in the cell, then select time in hours by clicking on the cell. For multiplication, type asterisk and then type 60 on your keyboard and press enter, and this will give you time in minutes. If you have multiple cells to calculate, then you can just click on the cell and drag the cell through the end like this, and you will get the conversion of hours to minutes. If you don't want these decimal points, then you just need to click on the right arrow here to decrease decimals. If you are not sure this is correct or wrong, then you can simply go to the Google and type hours to minutes. You will see that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So in this Excel we have 60 hours. So if we input 60 hours, you will see that the minutes are 3600. That is what we have calculated here. Now check out this video that will show you how to convert seconds to hours in Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem.